All right, so question number one, we want to find f plus g of -1. So I like to refer to these as like a double plug-in. Okay, so they have to give you the equations up above. You can see that f of x is equal to x plus 3. And the g of x equation is x squared minus x. Okay, and we want to find f plus g of -1. Actually, this is not the double plug-in. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be plugging in -1 to the f equation, and we're going to be plugging in -1 to the g equation, and then we're going to add those two numbers together. So here we have x plus 3, that's the x equation, and then the g equation is x squared minus x. And what we're going to do is we're going to replace these x's with -1s. So this will be a -1 plus 3 plus -1 squared minus -1. And then once we evaluate, we get, this will give us 2 plus, that will just be a +1 minus a -1, also a +1. So 2 plus 1, we get 4. Number 2, we want to multiply them this time. We want to find f g of 1/4, -1/4. Be careful not to lose that. So again, we have f is x squared minus 18. And the g equation is 4x plus 1. All right, so we're going to be multiplying these two together. So x squared minus 18 and 4x plus 1. But we're going to be multiplying them in after we plug in the -1/4. So I will plug in the -1/4 here. -1/4 for x, it will be squared minus 18. And then over here, 4 times -1/4 plus 1. So I'm going to evaluate the g because it's going to be easier. So what happens here is I have 4, I'm multiplying, but it's also being divided by 4, so those are going to cancel each other out and leave you with -1. So not doing this side yet, I'll go ahead and square it. When you square, you have to square the top and the bottom, so you square -1 will give you a +1, square 4, you get 16. So in parentheses here we have a 1 over 16 minus 18. And then over here we have -1 plus 1. So when I simplify -1 plus 1, because I want to wait till I do the fraction, I will have 1 over 16 minus 18. And then this will be just times 0. And it doesn't even matter what this is. 0 times any number is going to be 0. So I don't even have to deal with the fraction in this case.